Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Sat Sri Akal. Namaskara. This is Kamaljeet Singh from New Green Building Technology. I am heading Techno Commercial Department Division for almost 12 years. Um, Today I am going to discuss the calculation of grease and oil separators. As we all know that a grease separator is mandatory product for many metro cities, and if right system have not been proposed, then it's create a lot of problems um uh, after a certain of years down the line. So for proper calculation, go to the internet taskbar and type www.kestel.com, and you can see a one web page here. At the right side here, you can see the smart select. The moment you click here at a smart select, one another page will get open automatically. I'll do practically here. So one here you will see two options. One is for lifting station and one is for grease separator. So obviously we need to click on grease separator here. Now because we have earlier also done the calculation, so that is why they are asking we need to uh, we need a save we need to continue the existing calculation. So, no, cancel, sorry, cancel, new calculation, create calculation. Here you can see uh, uh, the options what we need to select. The one is catering location, means type of the kitchen. So we have to select which type of kitchen we are designing, like hospitality kitchen, specialty restaurant, hospital, large scale catering establishment, or company kitchen or canteen, like we propose for IT companies. So we will choose a hotel kitchen here first. Yeah. Then the second option is a saucer houses or meat processing plant, if available in the same building or premises. So here in India, most probably we purchase the meat or maybe the chicken from the outside itself. Third is the grease processing plant. So obviously we resource the oils from the outside. Now we need to select the working hours. So most probably in India, uh, most of the hotels runs for almost 18 hours, 14, 16, and 18 hours. So depend upon your requirement, you need to select the right type of numbers of hours. So thereafter come down. See, these all other points are available here, which will be filled automatically. But if you feel that there could be a changes in your current projects, you can do the editing work here. So now continue. Now there are three method to calculate the grease separators. So one is determination through measurements. Like suppose you have a inflow, so you can calculate here. You put the flow rate here and continue. If it is not there, go back, go back, and you need to select the inflow also. So then there is two options. One is determination according to operating equipments, means uh, which type of equipments you are using, numbers of sink, wash basins, um, dishwashers, etc. A third one is determination according to operating modes, means how many meals per day being produced to the kitchen. So we are selecting third mode because most probably most of the projects have a fixed numbers of meals we are going. So as already we have selected the kitchens, these all parameters does come as per European standard 1825. Now here we need to fill numbers of meals, um, which is, let's say, we calculate for 200 plates, 200 plates per day. Refresh. Now you can see here the uh, the flow is 1.5 liter per second. Now after that here all is not required. Going to the another uh, difficulty factors also will be applicable as per temperatures, cleaning agent we use, or or temperature of incoming wastewater. So yes, in our kitchen we use uh, cleaning agents like soaps or maybe detergent sometimes. So this 1.3 uh, percent of factors will be applicable. So you need to, here after the factors, it is coming some around 2.01 liter per second. So app is saying NS3 is the right model which we can go with. So suppose you want to go with NS3, just you have to click apply, and here you have to select type of installation, above ground, underground, which type of installation basically you want. Like here, if it is underground installation, above ground, like we are going with a freestanding. So above ground installation, then continue. Here you can see you can see you have to select type of the operation. You want basic version, or you want disposable one, or you want a cider mixer, or you want um, automatic cider mixer, you want rinser system, or you want fully automatic one. So as per your project requirement, you have to select the product. For example, I'm selecting, let's say, basic version. In basic version also there is a multiple type of product. Information is here. So as per your requirement, you have to select the right product. Multiple option is there, like with sonic control, with this inspection windows, with disposable pipe. So let's say I am selecting basic one, easy clean basic one, this one. And after selecting basic also, it will ask the type of accessories we can use, like inspection window, sonic control, lifting station, or refilling device. If you want any of the accessories, you can select here. Like inspection window is very important, so we can select the inspection window. Continue. Now here all the data has came. Now you can download, you can produce the data from here. Once you click here, the data sheet will get open. You can make, sign and stamp. And now this chart has been open. This calculation sheet has been open. You have to sign and stamp, and you can send it to the customer directly. Again, my again question could be how to get the technical details, technical data sheet, AutoCAD design, and other relevant documents. So you have to copy the article number from here, go to the Kessel website, which is from the first Kessel website. Just paste here, or just find, click here. Here you can see, and all the detail you can see here. You may copy this and use it for the BOQ specification. If anyone want to see the installation or operational manual, you can download it from here. Operational video you can see from here. If you want a TDS, technical data sheet, you can download from here by clicking on the tag of catalog page. What type of certificate is covered, you can download from here. If you want 2D or 3D drawing, you can download from here. If you want a beam file, you can download from here. If you want a spare part, you can download from here. And contact detail, you can find out from here. Or you can just call me on 9029277228 for any technical or commercial queries. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.